Consider two uniform discs of the same thickness and different radii. R1 is equal to R and R2 is equal to alpha R, made of the same material. If the ratio of their moments of inertia I1 and I2 respectively about their axes is I1 is to I2 is equal to 1 is to 16, then the value of alpha is the moment of inertia of disk is I is given by mr square upon 2. The mass m can be written as density into volume, which is rho into pi r square t into r square upon 2. K is equal to rho pi t upon 2. So I is equal to k r to the power 4, or I1 upon I2 is equal to R1 by R2 to the whole to the power 4. This we are given 1 by 16 is equal to R by alpha R 4 to the power 4, or alpha is equal to 16 to the power 1 by 4, which is equal to 2. So the correct answer is option 2.